Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
By the way, have you had breakfast?
Yes, I have.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6 o'clock. After that, I go to school at 6:45 a.m. And how about you?
I have breakfast at 6:30 a.m.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7:30 a.m. and I go home at 12 p.m.
Do you have activity after you go home from school?
No, I don't have it.
You may play football in the afternoon?
When we play 30 p.m. in the
Hmm.
afternoon.
Okay. I asked me to play football in the afternoon.
Do you want to join?